The Kingdom Animalia is a large group that consists of eukaryotic multicellular organisms that are heterotrophic in nature, these depending on plants for food in one or the other way. Kingdom Animalia is the largest of the five existing kingdoms on planet Earth. The scientific classification system is divided into the seven major groups: kingdom, phylum, class, order, family, genus, and species. The kingdom is the largest group and a species is the smallest. In general, animals are divided into two main groups, namely, a group of animals that do not have backbone are called invertebrates. The animals are possesses a stiff rod-like structure called a notochord. This lies above the gut. It is also called backbone. They are vertebrates or chordates. Classification of invertebrates: Porifera, Coelenterata, Platyhelminthes, Aschelminthes, Annelida, Arthropoda, Echinodermata, Mollusca. Classification of vertebrates are chordates: fishes, amphibians, reptiles, aves, and mammalia.